Hello, lovely. Super excited that you're here. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So if you watched the video last week, you know that Celeste Rochelle over at Mystic Magnolia, who's super awesome. If you don't know who she is a homeschool. She homeschools her children and she creates her own planner stickers. And I'm just super excited to be doing this collaboration with her. And it's just so awesome. So the way this whole thing is working is she sent me 2 kits from her shop and 1 kit from a mystery shop, and we revealed that in our last video that went live last week. And today we are planning with the mystery sticker kit that she sent me, and we'll both be planning with the same sticker kit so you can get different styles of planning, which is really cool because the way I plan might not be the way that she plans. Then you can get inspiration from both of us for the same kit. How cool is that, right? So in this video is the plan with me with the sticker kit she sent me from the Tealight Corner. So let's dive into it. Watch this plan with me. At the end, I'll add you some links and some super cool things that are coming. So enjoy. Okay. Little Tealight Corner. Thank you for shopping at my small business, a little planner shop, her Instagram. So definitely check her out. I'll link her Instagram down below. I love her stuff. She does post regularly. She's just amazing. So I'm happy she chose. My camera ended up dying on me, so here's what the rest of the planner spread looks like when it is all complete. Seriously in love with this sticker kit from the Tealight Corner, and I'll have links in the description box so you can check it out. But first, make sure to watch the video that Celeste Rochelle did over on her channel so that she can show you how she planned using this kit. I just know you're gonna love it, and I'm super excited to be doing this collaboration, so check out her video. It will be on the screen of this video right now, so head on over there, watch it, and let me know what you think about our different planning styles.